Baby, you're a queen in my eyes. Most beautiful thing I ever seen with my eyes. They only degrade you cause they ain't you, so they hate you.
Hi guys, welcome back to the ExoticATL channel with your girl Miss Chi. Today's video is going to be short and sweet and to the point, and I'm going to show you a natural, easy way to remove bruising. Let's get into it. Okay, so what you're going to need is a white potato, an Idaho potato, a Russell potato, but a white potato. And all you're going to do is you're going to cut it and slice it for however big your bruise is. Now, I don't have any bruises on my body at the moment, but later on in the video, I'm going to put a before and after picture of a bruise that I had. And by the end of day 2, the bruise was completely gone. And you'll see that in the photos. But you just take a white potato and basically, like say for instance, if I had a bruise right here, you would put it on the bruise. Or depending on how big the bruise is, you can actually customize or cut the potato to the size of the bruise and put it on there. If you want to put a piece of tape over it to hold it, a band-aid, depending on how big it is, put it over and just hold it on there. Just sit it on the bruise. And the potato pulls the bruising out of your skin. It helps circulate the blood, which removes the bruise. And it'll remove the bruise in record timing. So if you have a bruise and it normally takes 2 weeks for your bruise to go away, by using this remedy, your bruise will be gone in a matter of days. Like I said, when I had my bruise on my leg, it took me literally 2 days. By day 3, my bruise was completely gone.
Without you, none of this is possible. And your dark skin is beautiful. Don't ever underestimate yourself. Your beauty is unparalleled in this world, you feel me?
If you like this video, if you found this video informative in any type of way, please give me a thumbs up and share this with your friends. And please hit that subscribe button below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can catch all the videos as I'm dropping them. Much love and peace. Chi.
Can we show some love to the sisters? Let them know we love them, put nothing above them. People, if you with me, then clap your hands. If you with me, then clap your hands. Can we show some love to the sisters? Let them know we love them, put nothing above them. People, if you with me, then clap your hands. If you with me, then